Sit down, Carla. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Oh, come on. Got a hungry cat, Carla.
I bet she was the one that got the shrimp in this.
Sure she was. Because I...
You know right where to go.
I got it right by the door, that can. That's stupid. Look at this. We don't want her inside. Yeah, she's the one that got it. Mimi! Mimi! Well, I got the can by the door. I wish I would have took it in now. You know what I mean?
Now what do we do?
I don't want to go in the house. But she can just smell it over here. Right here is where it is. Here we go. She sees it. Yeah, here we go. This is good. Look how skinny she is.
What are you going to do, Meow? Just going to watch?
What are you going to do, Mimi? 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 Is that the one that chased her up the tree, Carla?
No, it's all white.
She's going to eat your whole supper.
Better go now.
She's going to eat your whole supper.
One.
Come on. Get going. There. He's on video. There, Mimi. There you go, Mimi. You let her take your food last night. I'm sure she did. Now. So now we got to bring it in all the time. I'm going to show this to Rod. I'm going to show
Maybe
this.
he'll have some suggestions.
Maybe he'll have something to say about that. That's our brave cat. This is for Rod and our brave cat.
You didn't even piss at her.
Nothing.
Did the cat go?
I don't know. I'll take a look. If I can get up. My back. No, she's still there.
Way to go, Meow. You're never going to get rid of it now.
Come on. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Go on. Go on. We got rid of her, Mimi. You brave cat. This is March 18th. Can you believe that? Where's the snow at? Got rid of her.
I hope so. They should be back tomorrow.
Now you're all alone again. You can eat it. Bye-bye.
That should be too nervous to eat.
Well, come on. Come on. Eat your supper.